Hey guys, how we doing today? Listen, it's Wednesday and just wanted to share a little story with you. So I got asked to be a guest on a podcast here on Friday, and they sent me the questions ahead of time, or a couple of the questions, some of the where the conversation could go. And one of them was, talking about one of my biggest failures. And it kind of made me laugh. So I wanted to just share a little bit today about failure, because look, everybody that has tried to do anything has failed. If somebody tells you they haven't failed, they haven't tried. It's just that simple. And when I think of my biggest failure, oh my gosh, I have had so many failures, it isn't even funny. But the thing about failures is most of those for me drop away. I don't dwell on them. I don't think about them. I really focus on the successes, because look, I define in my book, the definition of success is running from failure to failure with a smile on your face. I mean, you have to fail to succeed, but worrying about those failures is really the wrong thing to do. Now, learning from them, when you do fail, you have to learn, and you have to take that lesson, and you have to be able to grow from that, because that's when a failure actually counts. So, you don't make that sale, you ask the question, why didn't I? Did I not show the right product? Did I not listen well enough? Did I not understand what their needs were? Did I not meet those needs? Did I not ask one more time? Did I not handle their objection? That could be if you were selling. But whatever it is, you start a new business and it fails. Why did it fail? I've failed because I didn't have the passion for it. I started a business because it was just about money, and it didn't work. You have to be passionate about what you do. I've started a business where I've had partners, and maybe those partners let you down, and they don't do what they say they're going to do. So, there's a lot of reasons that things fail, and boy, have I had my share of them. So, don't let them get you down. Just know that you have to fail in the right direction. Take a look at, Kobe Bryant, right? He missed like 13,000 shots in his career. Michael Jordan, he missed like 9,000, but they don't dwell on those. Look at how many titles they've won. Look at Tiger Woods, what he just did at the Masters this weekend. He could have given up. There were so many people that said he was washed up, done, never going to win again, shouldn't even play golf. His next announcement should be retiring. That's what they wanted him to do, but he didn't do it. So with that, I would just say, when it comes to failing, just fail in the right direction. Just know that when you fail, you have to learn from it. And if you learn from it and grow from it, you'll have success. Because eventually, look, it's a process. It is a process of the fact that, look, when you succeed in this world, there's no destination. It's the journey. So enjoy that journey. Enjoy that journey towards success. Hopefully when you fail, you learn from those failures, you fail in the right direction, and in the end, you're going to win. Have a great day.